Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to the heart of South America, to the nation of Guyana, where a monumental project is unfolding that promises to reshape its future. We're talking about the new Demerara River Bridge, a structure that's so much more than just concrete and steel. It's a symbol of ambition, a catalyst for growth, and a lifeline connecting communities like never before. For decades, crossing the Demerara River has been a daily challenge for thousands of Guyanese. The existing Demerara Harbour Bridge, a floating structure opened back in 1978, has served the nation well, but it was only ever intended to be a temporary solution. Over the years, it has become a major bottleneck. Imagine waiting in traffic for hours just to make a crossing that should take minutes. This isn't just an inconvenience. It's a handbrake on the entire economy, slowing down commerce, services, and the daily lives of countless people. The wear and tear of over 4 decades has also led to frequent and costly maintenance, causing major disruptions. The need for a new, permanent, and modern solution wasn't just a wish. It became an absolute necessity for Guyana's progress. So what exactly is this new bridge all about? Let's dive into the specifics. This isn't just a replacement, it's a massive upgrade. We're looking at a high-span, 4-lane, fixed bridge. High-span means that large, ocean-going vessels will be able to pass underneath without the bridge needing to retract or open. This is a game-changer for maritime traffic and trade, eliminating the long delays the old bridge caused. 4 lanes due in each direction will dramatically increase the flow of traffic, aiming to slash commute times and end the gridlock that has plagued the region. This modern design is built for the future, anticipating Guyana's rapid economic growth and increasing population. It's an investment in efficiency, designed to handle the demands of a nation on the rise for the next 50 to 100 years. A project of this magnitude doesn't just happen overnight. The journey to breaking ground has been a marathon of planning, negotiation, and international collaboration. The vision for a new Demerara crossing has been discussed for years, but turning that vision into a reality required immense political will and strategic partnerships. The government of Guyana engaged in a rigorous process to find the right partners, leading to a landmark agreement with a consortium of Chinese companies. This collaboration brings together global expertise in bridge construction with local ambition, creating a powerful team to tackle this complex undertaking. The signing of the contracts marked a pivotal moment, signaling to the world that Guyana is serious about investing in world-class infrastructure. From geological surveys and environmental impact assessments to detailed engineering designs, every step has been meticulously planned to ensure the bridge is not only functional but also safe and sustainable. Now, let's talk about the economic ripple effect. This bridge is a powerful engine for economic transformation. Think about it. Faster and more reliable transportation directly translates into a more dynamic economy. For farmers in the West Bank and West Coast Demerara regions, it means their produce can get to markets in Georgetown and beyond much quicker, reducing spoilage and increasing their profits. For businesses, it means goods and services can move more freely, supply chains become more efficient, and new opportunities for investment open up. The construction phase itself is already a major economic driver, creating thousands of jobs for engineers, construction workers, technicians, and support staff. This injection of employment and capital has a multiplier effect, benefiting local suppliers, restaurants, and housing providers. But the long-term impact is even more profound. The bridge will unlock the vast potential of the land west of the river, making it more attractive for housing developments, commercial centers, and industrial parks. It is laying the foundation for a new wave of prosperity that will be felt across the entire country. Beyond the dollars and cents, the social impact of this bridge is truly life-changing. For countless Guyanese, it represents a dramatic improvement in their quality of life. Imagine a parent getting home from work an hour or two earlier, having more time to spend with their family. Imagine a student from the West Bank being able to easily access universities and educational opportunities in the capital city. Emergency services, ambulances, fire trucks will have faster, unimpeded access, which can be the difference between life and death. The bridge will physically and socially integrate communities that have been separated by the river, fostering a greater sense of national unity. It will ease the pressure on Georgetown by encouraging decentralization, allowing people to live in more spacious and affordable areas without sacrificing access to the city's amenities. This project is about connecting people to opportunities, to services, and to each other. It's about building a more cohesive and equitable society for all Guyanese citizens. Of course, a project of this scale is not without its challenges. The engineering complexities are immense. The construction team has to contend with the soft riverbed soil, the powerful currents of the Demerara River, and the logistical puzzle of moving massive amounts of materials and heavy equipment. Ensuring the project stays on schedule and within budget requires constant oversight and expert project management. Furthermore, there's a strong commitment to minimizing the environmental impact. Extensive studies were conducted to protect the river's ecosystem and marine life. The project also involves managing the human element, including land acquisition and ensuring that the local communities are not just bystanders but active participants and beneficiaries of this development. Overcoming these hurdles requires innovation, resilience, and a collaborative spirit, all of which are on full display in this ambitious undertaking. Looking ahead, the completion of the new Demerara River Bridge will mark the dawn of a new era for Guyana. It's a key piece in a much larger puzzle of national development. This bridge is part of an integrated infrastructure plan that includes new highways connecting the coast to the hinterland and even to neighboring countries, like Brazil and Suriname. It positions Guyana as a critical logistics and transportation hub for the entire region. As the nation's oil and gas sector continues to expand, this modern infrastructure is vital to support that growth and ensure that the benefits are distributed broadly. The bridge is more than a transportation link. It's a gateway to the future, a future where Guyana is more connected, more prosperous, and more resilient than ever before. It is a powerful statement of what is possible when a nation dares to dream big and invests in its own potential. This project is a testament to the vision and determination of the Guyanese people. It's a story of overcoming challenges, seizing opportunities, and building a brighter tomorrow. The new Demerara River Bridge will stand for generations as a proud landmark of progress, a symbol of a nation on the move. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into one of the most exciting infrastructure projects in the world right now. It's truly inspiring to see it all come together. What are your thoughts on this transformative project? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.